Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we are going to do the marking for general pharmacology, first chapter, general pharma. So first of all you need to know which chapters you have to do first. You have to do the pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, drug metabolism, and pharmacogenomics. You don't need to do it because only definition of pharmacogenomics is important. Now we will do one by one marking of each chapter for general pharma, all the things which you need to know about general pharma. These points are very important according to our HOD Dr. Asad, the clinical significance of Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. So you should take the screenshot of this and write it on your book. So as far as first chapter is concerned, you need to do the definitions first of all. For this you have to do all the definitions mentioned in this chapter, in this table, ideal terms. Then you have to know the difference between the placebo drugs and the nocebo drug. It is an important UQ question. You have to do this table starting from this point to this point and also write the examples which are mentioned here. I have written it, you note it on your book. It is very important and it is mostly asked in Viva and OSPI question. What is orphan drug? Next you have to do the pharmacokinetic principles starting from this point, and fixed law is important. You have to mark it as important. You have to do the main headings of these subjects, main headings of this topic, and fixed law is important. The formula is asked in MCQs. Then water solubility of the drug. The most important one is among these is Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, and also know about what is the trapping phenomena. From next you have to do the absorption of drug, the factors are mostly asked. Basically in general pharma your main focus is on the main headings of the topic. For example, what are the pharmacokinetic principles? You must know the main heading, the movement of drug of the substance, absorption of drug, and the distribution of the drug. Then next, if they ask you, write a note on movement of drug in the body and what is permeation, then you have to write the subheadings. It depends upon the questions which is asked. Like if they ask you, write a note on permeation, define permeation and its components or important steps in it. So you need to write the subheadings. Then no need to do this diagram, it is not important. Just give a read to this thing. This one is important. From next you have to do the distribution of drug, it is a UQ. Then you have to do this table, is very important. You can also do it from this book, or either you can do it from Lippincott if you have the PDF of it. Many students are going to ask this question, which book is good, Lippincott or Mini Catazan. So I will suggest that you study Mini Catazan medium version, because Lippincott only first 2 chapters are needed, the other chapters are not needed. Like you can't study the whole thing from that book, but for MCQs point of view you can do it. So there is no need to buy that book, just do the MCQs from that book. From next on we can do the elimination of drug. This topic is for MCQs point of view. Then next, no need to do this topic, no need to do this topic, no need to do this topic. Yes, you have to do the diagram for understanding of it. And if you have Kaplan, then you have to do this table from Kaplan for MCQs and some SCQ, 1 mark if needed. Then you have to do no need to do the clinical trials. Carcinogenesis is important with respect to only definition. Then orphan drug is important, no need to do this table, this chapter is done. One more thing which is important, that you have to do all the summaries mentioned at the end of table and definition table mentioned at the start of table. And I will suggest you people, if you have done any chapter in all the whole pharma, you have to do the checklist too, for prof only. Then we come to the second chapter, pharmacodynamics. I will make the things marked for you in the next video. till now, mark these things. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.